Please subscribe.
Honda began selling the much-anticipated Civic Type R this June as a 2017 model. After just a few months, the hot hatch moves into the 2018 model year starting today, and that transition brings along with it an increase in price. The 2018 Honda Civic Type R is available for $34,990. This price is up $215 from the price of the Type R when it first launched. Fortunately, the Type R is still less expensive than rivals. The 2017 Volkswagen Golf R costs $40,195. The 2018 Subaru WRX STI starts at $36,955, and the 2018 Ford Focus RS goes for $41,995. No significant changes come to the 2018 Type R. It's still available in a single trim level that carries generous standard features including navigation and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Along with the 6-speed manual transmission, the car packs a 2.0-liter turbocharged i4 making 306 horsepower and 295 pounds-to-foot of torque. It set a record for a front-wheel drive production car on the Nürburgring Nordschleife with a time of 7 minutes, 43.80 seconds. According to Automotive News, Honda is considering additional variants of the Type R. The automaker is mulling a more powerful Type R, a softer version dedicated to grand touring, and even an all-wheel drive variant.